Hey, hey, how's everybody doing today? 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘲 coming at you. Monday, TGIM, right? Start to a brand new week. Time to get crazy. Let me just make sure everything's cool over here on Facebook. Yes, we are live. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So, hope you guys are doing great today. 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘶 coming at you from 𝗕𝘂𝘁, Pennsylvania, the sweetest place on earth. Right now, I'm going to wet my whistle. I'm just really excited to be out here with you guys today. Been a busy morning and had to run some stuff up for Hunter for basketball practice. So I thought I'm going to come out here and do a live. I know Facebook is hopefully trying to get some people on here for us. So hopefully that'll happen here soon. In the meantime, if you have been on one of my lives before, make sure to type in a 1 down in the comments. If this is your first time on a live of mine, type in a 2. Let everybody know down in the comments where you're coming from. We want everybody to be able to be social with one another, right? Isn't that what this is all about? So listen, today I just wanted to come out and talk about why start a home-based business, right? After 2020, and I say this all the time, 2020 just really hurt a lot of people. And one of the biggest searches right now out online is how can I make money from home, right? Because that's where most everybody's locked up, is at home. Wouldn't you agree? So a lot more people are being more open-minded to a home-based business, to the network marketing industry. We're seeing a huge surge. And that is because people are starting to become a little more comfortable with it, okay? Now, it's not a scam. It's not a joke. It's a profession. You got to come out. You got to learn some skills. It's a profession, just like you would at a job, right? A lot of people can't even find a job right now. So hopefully some of the things that I can go through right now, and I'm going to give you like 3 to 5 reasons why I started a home-based business back in 2007. And maybe you can relate. If you can relate, make sure to put a comment down in there. Drop in a couple of the reasons why you are either working a home business or maybe a couple reasons why you're thinking about it, right? Because we want you to get into this industry. It's an amazing, amazing industry. There's no cap on the amount of money you can make, right? And one thing that I've learned over the years, it's not just about the money. It's about the personal growth, man. Like, I am totally not the same person I was back when I started in a home-based business. And I give all the credit to this industry because it's like a personal development industry with a compensation plan attached to it. And that's what I absolutely love about it. So, if you're thinking about it, maybe this will help tilt you one way or another. If you're just here to be here, that's cool too. I appreciate anybody that's on here. And if you find any value in this and it may be able to help somebody, go ahead and tag them down in the comments. Get them over here. Let them chat. Let them have fun. Again, this is social media. I want everybody to be social with one another. Okay. So for me, and I'm not gonna give these in any particular order. And before I get started, I just want everybody to know too that I'm not against jobs. I mean, I'm 54 years old. I had my share of jobs, right? Jobs are very important. And again, after 2020, so they're hard to come by. All right. So starting a home-based business is an opportunity to capitalize and grow, building something of your own, right? That you own. So now if something like this ever happens again, you can be happy and go lucky like I am every day because nobody's taking it away from me. You see what I mean? So hopefully that'll help. So one of the reasons why for me was to create freedom in our lives, not just financial freedom. See, a lot of people just get in and all they're worried about is the money, the money, the money. And I say this because that was me back in 2007. I was just worried about the money, right? I didn't start making the money until I didn't worry about the money. I had a mind shift because I had mentors that were sharing things with me. Help people. Help people achieve and get what they want, and you in turn will have what you want. And, you know, it took me a little bit of time to learn that. But total freedom is having the financial freedom and the time freedom. See, there's a lot of people that have a shit ton of money, but they work 70, 80 hours a week. They don't have no time. And there's nothing more precious than time. I thank God every day that I have time, that I've been able to take Hunter back and forth to school. He's a freshman in high school every day since he started school. See, I couldn't do that with a regular job, right? So the time freedom to me is the greatest thing. Having control of the time. Not having somebody tell you when you can go to the bathroom, when you can go to lunch, right? When you have to punch in, how much you're worth. That's one of the biggest things for me. I don't want somebody to tell me anymore what I was worth, right? So that's a big thing. And then on the flip side, you have people that have a lot of time on their hands, maybe because they don't have a job, right? So they have a lot of time, but they don't have any money to do anything with that time. They're broke. So, you know, if this is reaching you and you're in that type of position, the first thing, reach out to me because I can certainly help you. But really think about it. You know, why keep grinding and getting so depressed and upset because you can't go out and get a job when you can literally utilize that time spent at home, either on your phone or your computer, creating something that's yours. So the freedom was a big thing. Another thing that I knew about back then were tax breaks. When you work from home, and listen, even if you have a job, start a home-based business because the tax breaks alone are amazing. You can write off traveling, car, house, and I'm not an accountant. I'm not a tax professional. So don't heed anything that I'm saying to you as set in stone. Okay. But I'm just saying, in having a home-based business, there's certain things that you can write off that really helps at tax time. Another one of the biggest for me, again, goes back to the time situation, right? Being home with family. See, I'm a true believer, especially the way this country is right now and the way it's been over the past 20 years. I'm a true believer in family. You got to raise your kids right with respect and honor and loyalty, right? You have to teach kids nowadays to be respectful. It drives me crazy when I'm out and about and see how disrespectful kids are. And I don't blame it on the kids, and this may touch a nerve with somebody watching this, and that's okay. It all starts at home. And that's where I wanted to be. So I made the decision and made it happen, right? How about making your own rules? Again, not having somebody telling you, oh, you can go to the bathroom at so-and-so, or you have to take lunch break at this time, right? Make your own rules. Like, if I want to work in my pajamas, I'm going to work in my pajamas. Okay? I can make my own rules, and so can you. Another big thing, and I think I'm going to end with this one just because I don't want to take up too much time. Just wanted to come out and chat with everybody. There's no cap on the income that you can make in a home business if you pick a good, reputable home business like the one that I'm in, okay? There's no cap. Like, it's unlimited, the amount of money that you can make. And, I'd like to be one to give you permission to make a lot of money. See, money's not evil. It's what evil people do with money is the problem. Money is a great thing. It gives you opportunity. It gives you a way to give back and to help, right? So I want to give you permission to go out there and make a shit ton of money. Not just for you out of greed, but to be able to help and serve other people, right? So there's no cap, and that's amazing. It's amazing. See, a home-based business, you got to remember, is a business. So if you're going to come out here and you're going to sign up and you're going to enroll into a company and a business and plan on not doing any work, well, don't waste your time, right? See, anything worth having takes a lot of work. It takes commitment. It takes sacrifice, right? But are you willing to sacrifice putting in a lot of time into your home business for 1 to 2, 3 years to be able to have a lifetime of freedom, a lifetime of your rules, a lifetime of being home with your family and your loved ones, to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want? Sacrifice. Dream. If you're going to dream, dream big. Dream big. And then go get it. You have permission to go get it, right? All right, guys. Well, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So listen, I appreciate anybody that's been here live. If you watch the recording, type in replay down below. If this resonates with you, let me know down there. Like I said, I said that I was going to be out here doing a lot more videos in this new year. And that's what the plan is. If you are looking for a reputable home business, let me know in the comments or send me a message. I will shoot you a link. You put in your name and your email. You'll be redirected to a tour page where you can watch a couple short videos. We'll explain everything that our business does. And if you like what you see, I'd be honored to be able to work right alongside with you to help you and your family change your lives. And then we can do that to a whole lot of other families around the world. Okay. So just let me know and I'll be glad to hook you up. This is 𝗦𝘂𝗧. I love you. I appreciate you. Most of all, I believe in you. No matter what you're doing, no matter what you get involved in, be in it to win it. Stop talking and start doing. Make today the best day of your life, and then do something even greater and make it the best day ever for somebody else. Peace and love. Talk to you soon.